Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know.
Good morning, everybody. I just woke up not too long ago. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I got a few things. Gonna make some breakfast, and I have a few other things planned today. So yeah, it should be an interesting, productive day. It's gonna be a productive day today. I know I skipped the Vlogmas day, and I'm so sorry. Vlogging is a lot of work. Not really the vlogging, but the editing part. It just hours. But yeah, let's just get the day started.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Lately, I've actually been switching up my everyday makeup routine. Consistently, I've been doing everything like different. Like every day it's something different, which is fun. I've been liking that. Like one day you can do a bold eyeshadow or bold lip, or you can do like heavy highlight and just look like a disco ball. You know, however you want to do it, you can do it. But yeah, today I'm kind of going for a dark, smoky, vampy kind of look because I'm feeling dark. And I'm so dark today because I'm sad, y'all. I'm sad because my tire has a flat. I have a flat tire. And I just found out last night when I tried to go to the dollar store to get some batteries for my remote control. Yeah, I didn't get pretty far because I have a flat. I just got hit. My car just got hit last month, I don't know, a few weeks back, and I had a dent and some damage on my passenger side, and I got it fixed. It's all fixed up now, but now I have a flat tire. So yeah, it's kind of always something. But that's how it is, you guys, when you have a car. Like, it's always something. Anything can go wrong. You get a flat tire, you know, freaking starter, alternator, engine, all these problems can always go bad. So you just have to be prepared for those kinds of things. So yeah, I just don't like my car being messed up. Like, it's literally on the ground right now, you know. And I have a, oh snap, when did this happen? Whew. It's so cold outside. It's so cold outside. Oh, I do not like the cold weather. But it is what it is. But yeah, I guess it's windy, and I guess the wind just kind of blows the cover off sometimes. I think that's the second time that's happened. But there's like a proper side to put it on, like the front side, and I think sometimes I put the front side and the back side, and it just makes it, you know, difficult when it's windy to stay on. But yeah, it should be good now. But yeah, at the top is at the top is lonely. I'm gonna make a bow for the top there. So yes, it's gonna be cute. Can't wait to start putting gifts underneath it. Okay, you guys, so now I have some balls, some DIY clear balls, ornaments that I'm gonna be DIYing. So this is a really fun way to customize your ornaments and just a good craft to do, you know, with whoever, whenever, you know, or by yourself like me, because this is what I do for fun in my spare time. I decorate balls. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much gonna do it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.